Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by organizing scenes. Save each screen as its own. TSCN and give clear root names so you won't confuse resources. Once done, open or create a persistent main scene to act as the hub. This could be a main, TSCN, or an auto-load singleton. Make sure key nodes like camera and UI are either in separate scenes or marked to persist. Now add simple buttons or input handlers to trigger scene changes so you can test the flow immediately. You'll implement the actual switch using Godot Scene Tree API, call getTree. Change scene, res/path/scene. TSCN for straightforward transitions. For finer control, preload the packed scene with var packed equals preload, res/scene, TSCN, and then var inst equals packed. Instance. Add child inst when ready. Once done, free or queue free the previous scene and use call deferred. Add child inst or await signals to prevent race conditions. Also consider transition animations or fade timers so the user isn't jarred by instant swaps. Finish by wiring data and polish. Send state via an auto-load singleton or emit a signal from the outgoing scene, then call an init method on the new instance to receive parameters. Make sure to use getTree. Change scene to file or change scene to when working with packed scene variables. Finally, test transitions under varied loads and frame rates. Troubleshooting tip. If a scene fails to load, check the exact resource path and console errors. Then ensure scripts are compiled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.